The GoPro HERO 7 Black. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the new GoPro HERO 7 Black. This GoPro has the new HyperSmooth Stabilization feature. GoPro says that there will be no more need for gimbals as this will replace them. I'll do a quick overview and then some sample video of the stabilization. I've included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The product is packaged just like any other GoPro. You get the user guide and stickers, the charging cable, and various mounts along with the mounting bracket. The HERO 7 Black is their top of the line model. It has a 12 megapixel camera, can shoot up to 4K 60 frames per second, it's waterproof, you can live stream, and of course the HyperSmooth feature. You can also manage it via an app and it's available for iOS and Android. The finish is a soft matte black all around. You can see the Black 7 branding on the left side. And just like the other models, you have your charging port and the micro HDMI on the left side. And on the bottom, you have the battery compartment along with the micro SD card slot. The mode button is on the right side and the shutter button is located on the top. It comes in at about 2.5 inches in length and just less than 1.5 inches in width. The menu is new on the HERO 7 Black. Quick access to the mode, you can just swipe to the side and you can choose from photo, video, and time-lapse. On the lower left, the icon will give you more options for video, photo, and time-lapse. Selecting the bottom middle provides you access to the various video and photo resolutions, along with toggling stabilization on and off. Swiping down brings up the general preferences. Here you can adjust the date, time, reset the device, wireless connections, voice control, and so on. The options are just like the previous models, just navigating through the menus have changed a bit. On the bottom right is the zoom in and out option. Swiping up will give you access to your stored media. Once you're connected to the app, you will have access to the live stream functionality. Just launch the app and you will see the option Set Up Live. Just follow the prompts to set up your live stream. Now for some sample video, testing out the HyperSmooth Stabilization. The left side will be off and the right side will be on. The GoPro HERO 7 Black. My early impressions of the stabilization is it's great. I'm very impressed with the results. I also own the HERO 5 Black, and this is definitely a nice upgrade. Using this without a gimbal is definitely a plus. Yes, it's pricey, but if you have a need for an action camera, this is definitely worth a look. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.